In this video we will show how to use supply-demand zone scanner in the Optimum chart. Open any chart. Attach the supply-demand analysis panel to the chart. We will choose to scan all time frames and all symbols. Supply-demand zone scanning is done. We will inspect each chart where the price is near the zone. Click on Replay Chart button to have the PowerPoint presentation style of the slideshow. Optimum Chart provides the convenient way to scan the winning opportunity in one button click. In addition, Optimum Chart provides the turning point probability analysis with supply-demand zone. This helps you to choose the right trading opportunity in Forex market. The detailed trading strategy can be found on our books and trading education page in our website. If you want to stop the replay chart, you can click the Stop Replay button anytime. If you want to stop the replay chart, you can click the Stop Replay button anytime. Then it will stop chart replay and it will keep the last chart opened. This is good if you want to study one particular chart in depth. While replaying, you can sit back and make a note on some important symbols to trade. You can check how much time is remaining for this chart with this progress box. You can check how many charts are remaining with this progress box. You can check the details about the chart here. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to visit our website for advanced technical analysis solutions and MetaTrader indicators.